Amazing Animals by David. Tigers live in the jungle. They're the strongest of the cats and one of the cleverest animals in the world. They have got a big head, a big orange and black body, and a long tail. They eat other animals. They usually live for 25 years. Tigers are very beautiful. They can run very fast and climb trees. They can even swim very well too. Wow, what an amazing animal!
Amazing Animals by Carol. Dolphins live in the ocean. They're the cleverest and friendliest animals in the world. They're very playful too. They have got a big body, a big mouth, and a strong tail. They eat smaller fish. They usually live for 40 years. Dolphins are very funny. They can jump and play. They can even surf. Wow, what an amazing animal!
Crocodiles live in the jungle.
There are large and small crocodiles. The largest crocodile can be over 7 meters long. The smallest crocodile is around 2 meters long. Crocodiles have got a long body for short legs and a long tail. They've got a big mouth, too. They eat meat and fish. They usually live for 70 years. Crocodiles are one of the scariest animals in the jungle. They can walk fast and they are very good swimmers, too. On hot days, crocodiles keep their mouth open. This is how they get cool. Amazing crocodiles.
Save the blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal in the world. It lives in the sea. Its color is blue-gray and it eats small shellfish. The blue whale has got a long body and a big tail. It can swim fast, but it can't stay under the water for very long. The blue whale usually lives for 100 years. There aren't many whales in the world. They need our help.